Vintage Cruis'n U.S.A.
Season 2. On the last episode of Vintage Cruis'n U.S.A., I was checking out the VW Phoenix in Denver, Colorado. On this episode, I will be looking at the inside of the VW Phoenix, the chassis, the engine, and finally, purchasing the VW Phoenix.
That's where the heater would come up, and the heater tube back at the engine is not connected.
Windows. Let's see what this is. Seeing the gas tank.
Yeah.
Oh, it has still the original VW.
Yeah, it turns a little hard, but yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, I just wanted to see if it had the VW logo.
I don't like not having a back window personally, but
Me neither. That's something that we wanted to add to the last
what I would
one.
do with that. I thought about, like a big square.
What we're thinking about doing is putting a rear view camera.
Oh, yeah, I thought about that too. That would be cool.
Look at the baby engine. Let's see how she is.
I don't like this. There's a couple of air cleaners inside the boxes in the vehicle. And I don't know why he never put them on. This is the original oil film, and I don't like that. And I had mentioned this. He reversed the color of the cables on the battery. So I marked this so that somebody wouldn't get confused.
Oh, that's good.
With this Sharpie. Negative, ground, negative, ground.
Good, so that way nobody get hurt or electrified.
Well, I hope so.
At this point, we both knew I was going to buy this Phoenix, especially after the long trip from Miami to Denver.
And the accelerator had been sticking, but it seems okay now. I WD-40'd it and let it sit for a few days, and it seems all right now. However, there's supposed to be a guide tube coming through the cooling shroud here. I used to drive. I owned a bunch of VWs over the years.
Oh wow!
So I know how they're put together. So, but it's supposed to go around the accelerator turbo here and keep it from binding, and that is not there. I can reach around behind and feel, and there's nothing there. So
I wonder what your dad did here. Doesn't look bad though. Still doesn't look that bad. It looks salvageable.
So I don't think cooling's gonna be an issue. The original vans had like some venting.
Yeah, there was on the one that I had, there was venting on the side, like fins or something. It was kind of like a finny, like a line.
Yeah, I used to own a 68. This is a 68, and I got a 68 also that was unaltered. It was just a plain old VW van.
Nice. The stuff inside, does it have to do with like the rebuilding, like all the stuff that your dad was using?
A lot of it is stuff that he stripped off. Some of it is stuff that he was going to use. There's they're brand new in the box, but they're vintage 1980s cooktop and an ice box.
Wow. Your dad is so cute. I cannot believe your mom didn't want to go.
I know.
Oh my god. So there's extra fiberglass.
Yeah, you could use that for doing some of this stuff if you wanted.
Yeah, fixing the small cosmetic damages.
I don't know that it needs that much fiberglass. I would probably just do the repairs and then a little bubbling right here.
Yeah, I see that.
I don't know how the best way to approach that, whether it be to just leave it and feather it with gel coat or
sand it out and redo it.
Yeah, I might be tempted to make a cut here and see if I can flatten it out.
Alright.
You can still get polyester rods, and that's no big deal. And people are good at fiberglassing. It's amazing what they can do.
Only here to imbue, but your peppy look you. They lose must have me confused with some other fool. Vast as the deep blue sea. Singular, like the moon reflects the ocean. Cleanse the soul before you approach. That will never follow.
These tires, the tires have plenty of tread, but they're old. They need replaced.
Yeah.
I wouldn't try driving it any.
mind arises conflict. Jealousy is contagious, diminishing goals, aspirations. If inside, no heart found, living in torment, chasing to be a part of, sitting on a man, see his hopes.
I don't know why he did this, but the parking brake interferes with the shifter.
So you can
And the parking brake, it seems to have loosened up a little bit. I've been fiddling around with it. Well, it's not going to catch now. You can see it. Sometimes it catches, sometimes it doesn't.
so it doesn't want to break?
Yeah, the parking brake doesn't work. Probably a junkyard part. But also then, you can't pull it when it interferes with the shifter.
Yeah.
So
how would that? We need to redo that.
what I would do, I'd probably just leave it right here. I'd replace this with one from the junkyard. I would take this shift lever off, and I would torch this and bend it. So I'd put a bend right here, so bring it back here, and then so I'd probably reposition it down about here, which I think would be more comfortable anyhow. Oh, that's the other thing.
We'll be learning.
That's the original Popular Mechanics.
Oh my god! Really?
There's a couple manuals.
Oh my god! It has the Winnebago. Oh no, it looks like the Winnebago, but it's a
There's
flare.
the original plans.
You have the original? I have the plans, but I don't have the original.
There's an idiot manual. I don't know if you know about the idiot manual.
Well, that's what we're gonna need. Popular Mechanic. Are you sure you want to give this to me? Oh my god!
Of course, yeah. It has to go with it.
This is awesome. Every single person does the engine overheat or smoke up?
No, it's not. Not that I've noticed. I've run it till it's warm, and I haven't driven it around to any extent.
Would you like some water?
Oh wow, thanks.
High altitude, you know.
Yeah.
Drink lots of water.
Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know that actually.
No, I have not noticed it smoking or anything.
Okay, good. Let's see. What's the next one? Is it a clean title?
Yeah. In fact, I have the title. I was able to get it notarized, so it's ready to go.
Oh, awesome.
The notary didn't know exactly what to do with it because it's so old. It's a 1981 title.
That always happened.
They require a notarization on this, but there's no place to stamp it. So you just like stamp it over the signatures and
It's
stuff.
really old. Those old titles are always like that. You already showed me cosmetic damages. Is there any other that I should see?
Yeah, and as far as the doors, that's related to this. It just stressed out the whole top of the frame. So I don't know what the best solution is for this, whether it would be to cut off some of this and reform it. I had thought about.
I'm thinking about just redoing the door or taking it off and using it as a base to just fix
the
it.
primary field is okay. So it's just this top part. So I thought about like making this section out of steel with some braces that came down like this, and that would solve a whole bunch of problems. Yeah, aluminum might work okay.
Yeah.
And I don't like these.
Yeah, I don't like this either. Like this is just probably from wear and tear. But
Yeah, this is related to this too. But I mean, you can't really open the window. I would do something about this. I'd probably make some kind of a slider window.
yeah, and then have like probably
So
this
you
one
could
have
at
like
least-
a thing like how trucks have that you can just kind of open it a little bit so the air can come in.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea. Let's see, what else did he ask me? The interior. I gotta take pictures next. So, oh yeah, he asked me if the camper opens with ease, but that needs a little work. So.
It does not open. Well, it opens, but I would not say with ease. You have to get a helicarrier. It's tough right now because there's all junk piled in there. But it does open. It's in the pictures.
Nice.
You can find in the back there and look around if you want.
Okay.
Take a look at the floor.
I definitely will. See how she's doing. Floor feels sound. A lot of extra parts in here.
See, I don't know what all of it is.
We're probably gonna have to
Anything
go.
that looked like it went to this ended up in the back when we were clearing out the garage.
If later, well, I'm not gonna take this with me now.
You have to climb inside and actually lift it up.
So you have extra windows here too.
That's just, I don't. That was a window that was down in the basement, and somebody said it looked like it probably went to the original camper, so it was, the original van.
You're like, I'll just throw it in there.
Yeah, so
This actually feels like this is sound though, like the chassis feels like.
Still feeling, still stealing, hurts in the dark, alone in a park, searching for a start to wake up and start to wake up, to take up, to wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Come on. A delusion of the mind. You think you know what's inside, what's really there in those eyes. Are you telling me lies? Try to fight the energies that keep on telling me. What are they telling me? Are you playing me?
yeah, it should be alright.
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't know what the laws are there, but I'll just fill this out.
Don't think of any other but you. Feeling insecure, got fears we try.
My laws there are basically we get taxes on my purchase. And
You might need a bill of sale too, so there it is.
awesome. I forgot to print that out. Thank you so much.
That's a requirement for. Oh, here, that's the other one.
Selling a car that doesn't have a title.
Yeah.
You need a bill of sale. But this is good to have extra stuff.
I say those pictures might be essential when you come to licensing. I don't know how it works down there, but here sometimes it depends on whether the person is nice or not who's licensing it. But sometimes they want some kind of verification that you actually did the work and you're not pulling a fast one or something, and so they.
That's only in small towns. I'm not disclosing what it was sold for because to me, this van is priceless. After I purchased the van, I had the whole day in front of me, so I decided to explore Denver. I went to the Garden Block, a free food truck festival, the Denver Art Museum, and a few dispensaries.
In the darkness, something told me that the light is not far behind. I realize that there's so many questions in your eyes. Why do I wake up every day? Why should I try to elevate? Why are we forgetting to love ourselves while we get played? What the fuck is an aesthetic? What the fuck are we doing? What the fuck is up with people? What the fuck is up with fashion? What the fuck is up with life? Why the fuck is everyone in a hurry? The fuck? We're retrogressing. We're retrogressing. Do you know what that means? Do you know? Why do I wake up every day? Why should I try to elevate? Why are we forgetting to love ourselves while we Isabel.
Thanks to everyone for coming with me on this adventure to Denver, Colorado. If you want to see future updates on my VW Phoenix, please like and subscribe. Until next time on Vintage Cruis'n U.S.A. Mystix out.